Hello everyone. What you're about to see and hear is confidential, and I ask you to keep it to yourself until you see the press release go over the wire later today. I hope that you are all as excited to hear about our new company brand as I am to tell you about it. We wanted to share this news with all of you first, but again, this information is still strictly confidential. Let me give you a little bit of background on how we came up with our new company name before I show it to you, simply to gain some understanding of the process. We appreciate those of you who offered name and brand suggestions. We considered over 1,000 names. Since we're a global company, we did cultural and linguistic checks in many countries. We asked the questions: does the name tell our story? Is it different? Is it timeless? Will we love it 10, 15, perhaps even 50 years from now? We wanted a name that was flexible and had the ability to unfold new meaning now and well into the future. We also asked, does the name make an emotional or a mental impression? Is it visually appealing? Will people remember it? Is it cool to say out loud? Is it true to our combined heritages? After all, we're becoming a family, so is it us? We also studied successful brand names like Gap, Apple, Pandora, and Amazon. Those successful brands have been built over time. They are far more than names and logos. A successful brand is all about experiences. So we asked, what is the experience our customers want to have with us? Customers are at the center of everything Triquin and RFMD does. With this merger, we want to help our customers solve problems so they can get their products to market more quickly. We want to shape solutions for them and make the end user experience the most impressive the RF market has to offer. Now, onto the name. The origin of our new brand name comes from a few different sources. First, consider a chorus, a symphony or a group of people creating something. The word has two syllables, cor and us, meaning together. This is a nod to our merged companies. Our new name also comes from the word core. We've invented many of the core technologies in the RF industry, many that the world relies on. Our new name also honors the thought of travel, of voyage, of moving through air or space. And now, I would like to present to you the name of our combined company, Qorvo. Again, our name is derived from three words: chorus, core, and voyage. Qorvo. This is a name that is different. It's intriguing. I invite you to say it with me. Qorvo. Please pronounce the Q like a K. For trademarking and other reasons, we have chosen to spell it with a Q. If you look at the number of players in our industry and their logos, you can see how Qorvo stands out. This clean, elegant black and white logo will be our primary visual identity. It will be easily recognized, whether on a white paper, in a trade show booth, or in a web banner ad. There is a visual style that often accompanies a brand logo to help it tell the story. We're calling our secondary graphic the collective. The collective is a collection of lines that borrow from the communications industry, but we're using them in a new and different way. Our logo tells a story of how we shape solutions for our customers and offer a solid foundation in a changing world. Qorvo is able to shape, adapt, and flex to change, and in essence, help our customers adapt as well. To further help tell our story, our new brand line is all around you. These three words state the fact that Qorvo is in our lives, in the machines, equipment, and applications that the world relies on every day. Our technology is truly all around you. Finally, I'd like to show you some examples of how we will build our new identity. Here's an example of our new business cards and what our chip markings will look like. As I mentioned, black and white will be the company brand colors, but blue will be used as a secondary color to represent our limitless possibilities. You can see in these examples how the new colors and the collective will bring our brand to life in everything from product brochures to advertisements. Before I tell you about some of the exciting things we have planned, I want to address a few questions you may have. For now, we'll continue to answer phones and sign our emails the same way as we currently are. Those kinds of changes will have to wait until after we have regulatory approval, which is expected by the end of the year. However, temporary building signs will begin to appear following the media announcement later today. We want to signal to our communities that this is a planned change, a commitment to growth, and something that we're excited to create together. We will mark day one with employee forums to mark the start of Qorvo. Execs will be in each of our major sites, and we will have call-in numbers to present the company vision. We will follow up with celebrations around day 100. As a combined company, I look forward to celebrating together. My hope for now, once this becomes public later today, is that you will all join me in becoming a brand ambassador. I can't wait to share our story with the world and to live our brand promise of being flexible and responsive while we shape customer solutions. We want our customers to feel this experience, not just from looking at our new logo, brand line, and visual style, but from their love of doing business with us. Qorvo, I know that together we're going to change the world.